Let's I discuss with Python. Python is considered as one of the most versatile language of a programming language. Now, recently, the most requirement of the language is used for an Python, because Python is created less amount and having that more data into it. So we required Python. Feature of Python: it has simple, easy to use syntax. It has an environment friendly platform. Just they install any environment or any operating system. So just like Windows OS, Mac OS, Ubuntu, and any Linux, Python will be installed. You can even combine pieces of other languages like C++ and Java also. In Hadoop we can use that Java and Python also to make that Hadoop language. It's large standard language. It is having large standard library support. It is also based on object oriented platform. Oops, concept. Application of Python is: it is used for web application, कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर, डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन, साइंटिफिक कंप्यूटिंग के लिए यूज़ होता है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग के लिए, इमेज प्रोसेसिंग के लिए ये यूज़ होता है. देन पाइथन का सिंटेक्स क्या है? पाइथन फर्स्ट इज़ फॉर केस सेंसिटिव. देयर इज़ नो कमांड टर्मिनेटिंग. कमेंट लाइन start with hashtag comment line, which should be you need to comment, or you cannot print that, hide that line, so you can comment with hashtag line continuation. I can give that is for that one, is for the concatenation of that line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 they will print. First program, as you seen, if you install that Python, so in Python IDE you can see that 3 terminals over there. To write that code over there, you gave that print command hello world. In that PHP language, in that Python language, we cannot use that simple brackets in print. We normally print that command, and we cannot use semicolon over there. In all the languages we use semicolon, but we cannot use semicolon over there. Or if you not done any code in IDE, so you can make an Python file named as python txt.py. File last extension is for .py, so that will called as a Python file for a desktop. Variables in Python: declaration of variable is x equals to 25. Normal we written. Then print x. You can also print that also. You written x and then enter. They gave that value. How I can pass that string in Python? String variable, just you seen that string variable Vibhor. Then string is for लोअर केस में ये विभोर प्रिंट कर देगा. स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल विभोर, प्लेस एंटर, देन दे प्रिंट लोअर केस ऑफ विभोर. इनपुट कैसे लेते हैं? x इक्वल्स टू इनपुट एंटर द फर्स्ट नंबर, डेटा टाइप इन पाइथन. इनपुट हम ऐसे लेते हैं, इनपुट लिखा हमने और एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर. देन y की हमें इनपुट लेनी है, देन इनपुट अनदर सेकेंड नंबर. Data types in Python, I gave that example of data types in Python. I gave that first you seen that also one is for you miss Python numbers and built-in function. Built-in function, which function we use in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, module, power. and math floor syntax. I gave that example of also in input function. X equals to input first number, then y is equals to input second number, print xy or print string xy. So they will print as an first print is for, suppose I gave that x equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. They will print as first is 3, then second is gave that 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. So what will be the value over there is, as you see, in that is for 3, in that is for 1 plus 2. I gave that example output also. Data types in Python: number, none, sequence, sets and mapping. And what is the major data types is for, first is for tuple, dictionary, string, list. That will be the major data types of that Python we mostly use for that also. If you like that my session, please subscribe, share and like my session. And we also made another video on Python. Thank you.